How to successfully sell products on Amazon? I get asked a lot about how to successfully sell products on Amazon. Success is a word that we hear so much in this day and age. Everyone wants to succeed. Everyone wants to know how to sell on Amazon and make money. Everyone wants to make it to the top. So when I'm asked how to successfully sell products on Amazon, the first question I need to ask is, are you hungry? Most people that desire success don't always have the necessary appetite to obtain the levels of success that they seek. You hear of the selling on Amazon success stories, see the Amazon sales screenshots, view the how to successfully sell on Amazon videos and podcasts, only to discover that these things happen with hard work and consistency. Nothing more, nothing less. It's one thing to see the after of a process, but the before and the during are an entirely different story. So you have to ask yourself this question. How hungry are you? Are you willing to embrace the inevitability of the journey to attainment? Do you have the tough skin that's necessary to climb the ladder? Is resilience part of your DNA, or do you run from discomfort? Are goals important to you, or do you just want to compete with others? You want to know how to successfully sell products on Amazon? All of these questions are vital as you decide whether or not you want to succeed on Amazon for real. And the first step in preparation is recognizing this. Sometimes you'll have to operate in unfamiliar territory and alone. Selling on Amazon as a beginner can be very daunting. When you're in an unfamiliar environment, there will be times of doubt and friction. There will be moments where you don't want to do certain things that must be done. When too many ingredients are in the pot, you may have a recipe for disaster. But it doesn't have to be. Your passion and persistence are key elements in ensuring that you stay the course, regardless of who is or is not present. And yes, that takes dedication and skill. It takes you being sure of who you are and what you possess so that you can provide the best version of yourself. You must know your purpose to operate in authentic passion. Only then can you bring all of you to the table. And only then can you operate professionally and successfully no matter who is or is not around. How to successfully sell products on Amazon? You put in the work. Do not let someone else's belief systems or inconsistency keep you from reaching your goals. When you're hungry, you don't let the appetite of others keep you from fixing your plate. You know your purpose, you know your position, and you know your passion. All you need is to follow your plan. Yes, proper planning keeps you from performing poorly. And you have to dig deep into yourself, removing excuses and complaints, and go for it. Asking yourself serious questions is vital, and finding answers will create breeding grounds for manifestation. How to successfully sell products on Amazon? You don't let others get in your way. What can you accomplish? It's important to evaluate your assets and know what you can accomplish. Using what you have is pivotal. That's the art of adapting. Success doesn't always look the same in every situation. However, recognizing the aspects of each situation can help you create the proper blueprint to succeed wherever you are. What can you bring? If you're going to bring your all to the table, you have to first know what you need to bring. This means you must know your strengths and your weaknesses. Be prepared and fully show up when the opportunity presents itself. Innovation is key. What is your passion? If you're not excited about reaching your goals, you'll never try with genuine effort. Any setting that you're in, you must ensure that you're ready to do what's necessary to make everything work the way it needs to. Check your passion and persistence meter. When you fail to love what you do, you'll be okay with mediocrity. This is not indicative of success and should never be the norm. How to successfully sell products on Amazon? Stay excited. Don't worry about failing. You will fail. and fall. But the success is not in the notation of the fail. It's in the getting up. So make sure that you learn the lessons and get up. Don't spend so much time worrying that you spend no time learning the lessons staring you in your face. And never sit around waiting for the perfect opportunity. Perfect never comes around. You have to jump off that cliff and build that plane on the way down. That's a true entrepreneur. Sometimes you have to create the opportunity while preparing for it. There is always a positive with the negatives. Be willing to look for it. Again, I ask, how hungry are you? If you're going to be fragile, entrepreneurship is not for you. If you're going to be lazy, this is not for you. If you're going to be fearful and afraid to act, this is not for you. But if your mind is open to learn, then you are free to grow, and the realm of entrepreneurialism is for you. I want you to believe in you, but that belief comes with a responsibility. And true entrepreneurs embrace themselves as they embrace the journey. This is the mindset of a champion. And I'm certain that you have it in you. Everyone has it in them, but only a few actually take a step towards the journey. Success has a look and a feel for each individual. However, you have to be hungry enough to keep up with it. I'm telling you this right now, it won't be easy. Nothing worthwhile is easy. But I promise you this, it is attainable. So, how to successfully sell products on Amazon? Believe in yourself and take action. I believe in you. Now, go make something happen.